Welcome back, folks! Today, we're diving into the world of grill maintenance, focusing on one essential component, the grease tray. And not just any grease tray, but the best Nexgrill Grease Tray Replacement you can find on the market. Introducing the Grill Grease Tray Replacement with Catch Pan, an adjustable stainless steel marvel designed to keep your grill clean and your cooking experience top-notch. Let's break down why this tray stands out from the rest. First up, durability. Crafted from stainless steel, this grease tray is built to last. It's corrosion-resistant, rust-proof, and heat-resistant, ensuring it can handle the rigors of grilling season after season. Next, versatility. Compatible with a wide range of grill models from Nexgrill, Dyna-Glo, Kenmore, and more, this tray is a universal fit for your grill. Now, flexibility. With an adjustable length from 25 to 34 inches, and a fixed width of 15.5 inches, this tray can be tailored to perfectly fit your grill setup. And let's not forget about convenience. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included screwdriver and gloves. Plus, the tray is removable and easy to clean, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. But what really sets this grease tray apart are the thoughtful design touches. From upgraded handles for easy maneuverability to burr-free corners that won't scratch your hands, every detail has been carefully considered. So, if you're tired of dealing with a dirty grill and want to upgrade to the best Nexgrill Grease Tray Replacement on the market, look no further. Click the link in the description to get yours today and take your grilling game to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, folks! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy grilling!